Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Model Monitoring and Drift Detection. Keeping your AI sharp and up to date. Imagine your AI model is like a brand new car. It runs perfectly when you first get it. But just like a car, if you never service it, change the oil, or check the tires, it will eventually break down or perform poorly. Model monitoring is like giving your AI its regular checkups and maintenance. It's all about making sure your AI stays sharp and continues to do its job well, even as the world around it changes. For a developer, this means building systems to watch over your deployed AI. You might think once an AI model is built and working, it's done forever. Not quite. The world is constantly changing, and what was true yesterday might not be true today. This means even the best AI model can become rusty or less accurate over time. It's like having a map of your city from 10 years ago. New roads, buildings, and one-way streets have probably appeared, making your old map unreliable. Your AI's map can become outdated too, and as a developer, you need to anticipate this decay. One big reason AI models get rusty is data drift. This happens when the asterisk kind of information your model is receiving in the real world starts to look different from the information it was originally trained on. For example, if you trained an AI to recognize different types of fruits based on pictures of only perfect, fresh produce, if suddenly it starts receiving pictures of bruised, rotten, or exotic fruits it's never seen, it might get confused. The input data has drifted from what it expects. As a developer, you'd be looking for statistical changes in your incoming data. Another common problem is concept drift. This is trickier because it means the asterisk relationship between your input data and the correct output has changed. It's not just that the inputs look different. It's that the meaning, or the rules, behind those inputs have changed. For instance, an AI model predicting whether a customer will click on an ad based on their browsing history. If a new social media trend or a major cultural event suddenly makes completely different types of ads popular, the old rules connecting browsing history to ad clicks might no longer apply. The concept of what makes an ad clickable has drifted, and your code needs to detect this change in outcome prediction. So, how do we actually know if our AI is getting rusty or experiencing drift? This is where performance monitoring comes in. It's like giving your AI a regular report card. We measure how well it's doing its job in the real world using specific metrics, like accuracy, how often it makes correct predictions, or error rate, how often it's wrong. As a developer, you'd set up code to continuously calculate these metrics from your model's real-world predictions, effectively giving your AI a constant grade. Once you're monitoring performance, what happens if things go wrong? Developers set up alerts and thresholds. Think of it like a smoke detector in your house. You set a threshold, a certain amount of smoke, and if that threshold is crossed, an alarm goes off. For AI, if the accuracy drops below a certain percentage, or if data concept drift is detected beyond a set level, your monitoring system can send an alert. This tells you it's time to investigate, understand what changed, and potentially retrain your AI model with new, fresh data to bring it back up to speed. Model monitoring and drift detection aren't one-time fixes. They're an essential, ongoing cycle. As a developer, you're responsible for implementing this continuous process of observing your AI, detecting issues like drift or performance drops, and then taking action to refresh or retrain it. By doing this, you ensure your AI models remain reliable, fair, and truly valuable, always adapting to the ever-changing real world. It's how we keep our AI sharp, smart, and up to date. making our AI projects successful in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.